Driving in windy conditions, safety rules when the wind is too strong. For car drivers, strong winds can occasionally prove problematic. Lightweight cars, cars pulling trailers, dense, and other high-sided recreational vehicles are particularly at risk. These vehicles could be thrown out of their lane in extremely windy or stormy weather due to their light weight or vast surface area to catch the wind. Increasing your speed when driving in extremely windy circumstances is the greatest strategy to prevent an accident. This will lessen the lift effect caused by air moving quickly underneath the vehicle and improve your car's traction on the road. You should try to avoid driving adjacent to other vehicles that could be hit if your car were to drift out of its lane. Wind gusts. Be cautious when driving across mountain passes and ravines since abrupt exposure could result in a severe wind gust hitting you. You must always be conscious of your surroundings and be ready to control your car in the event of an unexpected wind gust. Drivers frequently lose control of their vehicles when they don't account for severe gusts. Keep yourself aware of dangerous situations and be prepared to handle them. As a big truck or bus passes you, you could experience powerful wind gusts if you're in a particularly small or light car. When a heavy car is approaching you on a two-lane highway from the opposite direction, stay vigilant and move as far to the right as you can. How to drive in high winds. The following safety measures can assist you in maintaining control of your car and preventing collisions in severely windy weather. The driving manual for your state offers more advice on how to handle risky situations. 1. When there is a strong wind, slow down. This will stop your car, offer you more control, and give you more time to respond defensively if an accident happens nearby. 2. Consistently keep your hands on the steering wheel in the 2 and 10 position. Instead of just putting your hands on the wheel, grip it. It might spin out of your grasp if there's a strong wind gust. 3. Keep an eye out for debris and other roadblocks by scanning the area in front of you. 4. Avoid utilizing cruise control. Should your car encounter an unexpected gust of wind, you will need complete control of the gas pedal to regulate the speed of your vehicle. 5. If you encounter a storm or extremely strong winds, think about stopping and waiting for the situation to pass so you can continue. While no one enjoys being late, being on time is not worth risking your life to achieve.